If you want to join the French Foreign Legion, you have to move. You know what? My wife is not married with Thomas Gast. My wife is married with the French Foreign Legion.
Oh, blow the man down, bullies, blow the man down. To me way, blow the man down.
Hello, friends of the French Foreign Legion. I am greeting you. Hello, how are you today? So, when you want to join the Legion, you have to move. If you don't move, you will get this one, right? You will get a real punch, and you don't like punches in the beginning? No, I don't think so. Everything you do in the French Foreign Legion, in the Castelnaudary Boots Camp, is by running. Yeah? Everything is done by running. So, move your body, move your ass. So, we are going on today with all my tips and tricks about the French Foreign Legion. The title of this clip is Tips and Tricks and Energy and Sacrifice. So, energy and sacrifice, this is your part, we're coming later on it. And tips and tricks, we are starting right now. Okay, the last lessons we learned have been the ranks. Okay, I hope you have been a good pupil. What is this? What is this? Schultz is a sergeant. Say it again. Sergeant, right? Okay, Sergeant Schultz. What is this? Gaston, c'est un adjudant. An adjudant. This is adjudant. Okay? So, now, we are in the situation that you like to join French. The pills are open. No, they're not yet open. But just we are playing. You're playing your future. Okay, you are in France. You are in front of the legions. Recruiting office, you knock on the door, somebody's open, looking at you, you see that is it a caporal chef, and you say, Caporal chef, je voudrais bien m'engager à la Légion étrangère. Say it again. Right, Caporal chef, je voudrais bien m'engager à la Légion étrangère. But, before saying caporal chef, of course you say, bonjour. Bonjour. That means hello, good day. It's the same like salut. Right? We do it again. Bonjour, caporal chef, je voudrais bien m'engager à la Légion étrangère. Slowly. Bonjour, caporal chef, je voudrais bien m'engager à la Légion étrangère. Then he will smile until here. He will say, come in, my friend, you are very welcome. That's it. And that's it. Okay? My friend, what is this? Tell me, what is it? It's a white hat, right? And we call it képi blanc. It's a képi blanc. Képi blanc, as we have seen, is for légionnaire de deuxième classe, légionnaire de première classe, caporal, and caporal chef. Right? Képi blanc. And this one, these képis are képi noir, black képis, right? NCOs and officers. We run through all the ranks of the NCOs and officers the last time, okay? We go on further with some tips and tricks, some lessons. These colors, red and green, are the colors of the French Foreign Legion. You must know this. Rouge et vert. Le rouge et le vert. Okay? Le rouge et le vert. Very important to know this. And very soon, the French Foreign Legion has La Fête de Cameroon. Cameroon was a big battle in Mexico, the 30th of April 1863. Right? Cameroon, la bataille de Cameroon. This is a very important event. Very, very, very. Maybe the most important event ever in the Legion, right? Cameroon, the Battle of Cameroon. Bataille de Cameroon. Le vert et le rouge. Le képi blanc, le képi noir. Sergent, adjudant. Bonjour, caporal chef, je voudrais bien m'engager à la Légion étrangère. And I'm voluntary to move. Okay, we are going on. Some tips. When you're in, when the door closes, first thing, never say no. Never say no. You are there and you are asking something from them. You want to join the French Foreign Legion. And if they ask you something to do, you never say no. It's the first lesson, right? Second lesson. If they ask a voluntary guy, you're always making this one. Yes, I am voluntary. For whatever. Right? You are voluntary for all they want you to do. You never say no. Okay? This is a lesson you have to learn very, very, very quick. Okay? You don't lie to them. They will ask you questions, or maybe not. Never lie to them. They will find out everything of your past. Okay? So always tell the truth. You're voluntary, you never say no, and you don't lie. Okay? This is a very good advice. Take it by heart. And the next lesson is, don't be an idiot. Don't talk so much about your past. Don't talk so much about things you have done, things you can do, about your skills. If they don't ask you, don't talk about these things. Just keep quiet, right? Okay. Stay in touch. I'm coming back. So I'm right back. Just was downstairs to get my mug with a wonderful coffee, wonderful German coffee, right? So right now I give you one very important insider tip. You're ready for my insider tip? I only give it to you, not to the others. Because I want you to have success. I want you to join the Legion. Okay? Don't lose time to show up in Paris, in Nantes, in Strasbourg, in Lyon, or wherever. Go directly to Aubagne. In Aubagne, there's the mother house of the French Foreign Legion. So don't lose time. It's your time. And you show up in Aubagne. No chivalry. No bijou, no jewelry, no car, not so much money, just money enough for eat for a while, maybe for have to pay your trip back to your world if you don't agree with the Legion, or if the Legion don't agree with you. So, right? Don't lose time. You go directly to Aubagne. Aubagne is in southern France. So the next airport, the next big airport is Marseille. Marseille, and then join Aubagne. Okay? What they will do in Aubagne with you. Okay? They will do firstly a test of personality. They want to know who you are. Then will happen a psychological test. They will do all the sport tests with you and the medic test. Don't forget, sport test is 7 pull-ups. You have to be able to do 7 pull-ups. And this is mega important. You have to be able to swim 25 meters without floating right? Okay? And now we are talking about energy and sacrifice. Energy, it concerns you. You always give 100%. Always give 100%. Okay? Don't save with your body. Don't save with your brain. Always touch your limit. Physical and spiritual. Never say no. Go forward. And this is also kind of sacrifice. I'm coming to sacrifice. It's also your part. Never look over your shoulder. Look forward. Look ahead. Yeah? Your most important thing right now is the French Foreign Legion. Forget who you are. Forget who you have been. Forget your family. Because right now you have a new family. Legio Patria Nostra. And that's the French Foreign Legion. Okay? Got that? And do me one favor, do me one big favor, because in the past I talked about language, French for the Legion language, you know. So if you show up in front of the Legion office, you're knocking, somebody's opening, Caporal Chef is standing in front of you. Don't say bonjour Caporal Chef, j'ai déjà plein les couilles because vous me cassez le roll-mops. No! We repeat again. We go through one more time. Bonjour Caporal Chef. Comment allez-vous? Je voudrais bien m'engager à la Légion étrangère. So, that's it for today, my friends. Nice being with you. Nice being with you. Yeah. Thanks listening to me. Thanks listening to me. Amitié légionnaire, yours Thomas Gast. Bye bye. I'm your teacher anyway. I will teach you all the stuff you need to join the French Foreign Legion in the best conditions. Yeah? And I will keep you updated. I will keep you informed. Right? Allons, Giron. Baisse ton pantalon. Gaston, everything's okay. Schultz. You're here. I'm not hearing you. Nothing to say today. We are singing straight away. Wait a moment. We are singing together. Stay in touch. Contre la Viet, contre l'ennemi, tout le combat fascine. Soldats de France, soldats du pays, remonteront vers les lignes. Oh, le genre, le combat qui commence, me donneront armes, enthousiasme et vaillance, peuvent un pleuvoir, grenades et graves. Notre victoire n'aura plus d'éclat. Peuvent pleuvoir, grenades et graves. Notre victoire n'aura plus d'éclat. Vive la Légion étrangère. Vive le 2e régiment étranger de parachutistes. Vive la santé. Es lebe die Gesundheit.